Sita, I refrain when he pang, and so damn me pay and they said, me remfi papa, why I'm here. And see a nigga, Sedo. I refrain when he pang, I dear back when I miss when they said, me remfi papa, why I'm here. I said, me pong, caution me cheek, baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a tree, or therefore, one over to me, I away. Stand back and take account, or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. That's right. I said me pong, caution me cheek, baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a tree, or therefore, one over to me, I away. I said me sissy, stand back and take account, or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money. Salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh, hey, money, oh, money, oh. I don't know salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo.
Money, yo, aya.
This word no longer, Lord, I need your help, and no one.
Yeah, Diana Hamilton, the real.
Your help.
If you Joe Battle, so called Diana Hamilton. I will say, I'm good afternoon. Me good afternoon, Fred. Odifu Abastu.
That's all I need. Your word.
Oh, you're there, Radiase. Ya boy, ya ba. Erade Adomara kwa. Wama ene atoyen. Odi acheyen kwa. Scripture be on my spirit to my mankind. Me tea ko biti me. I was here for a patch up on Facebook. Why? Me say, you Sompa delight there, so you say a bit delight too. Into anyone at the studio, and come on behind the scenes, you know, anyone able. If I talk, Psalm 136, Psalm 136. Yeah, dear, see, why baby? Yeah, why baby? Svelte lady, chai, and then Psalm 136 may be rushing through to verse 7. Or say, oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for his good, for his mercy endureth forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of gods, for his mercy endureth forever. Oh, give thanks to the Lord of lords, for his mercy endureth forever. To him who alone doeth great wonders, for his mercy endureth forever. To him that by wisdom made the heavens, for his mercy endureth forever. To him that stretched out the earth above the waters, for his mercy endureth forever. To him that made great lights, for his mercy endureth forever. Oh, nehumo bro, etim ho da ne da. Nyanyami anka. Nyanyami anka.
Sana this anime by. Nehumo broti moda. Ku sipi enu.
Me fa cha power ni ye cha de da. Ye cha. So be cha. We cha power nyesa. Nti ye cha.
Okay. Why endorse?
Oh, my endorse.
Nehumo broti moda.
Who say? First one na ye. Variety. Hey, ranges. What tone ranges? Yentos to say. I was here for your mama kwaba. Somebody wa mamre no nti ye be ye. Sisiano. O'clock na do so no. Eye some delight o'clock.
And ye na ye some delight o'clock.
Sompa delight o'clock na do so no.
Ade uko abrofu mu ana.
Maybe mako America.
I'm case because you're British. Me ha me na pen na me British.
Nkwa. Besa Simons back no ntumi. Oh, cry ye bia no ntumi.
Edu be bin say me go share inside o. So we are level of
dodgy.
Fast bra.
All right, enti ya meti fu akwa be na ye be ko book up score na nyesa. Tell and then come on ho nti eja. Ante adwe no ye feel. You feel pa.
Yeah.
Yante ewie yante. Enti, are you ready?
We are ready.
Bang.
Bang.
Noko here me. Hey, baby, I do know. All right, enti enwa wed na dey. Odi.
Enwa dey no. Enwa dey na dey pa o.
Ah, na dey pa. Na se ntokwa.
Mpese e ka.
Ndebi no ni ha.
E woni e se anka oti da bi.
Bra woni ha. Me dase. Because woni ha won pene.
Fisticuffs. Fisticuffs. Ajati ase.
Ode chenase.
Also oti ase.
Enti un chenase. Ebi a obi we fia.
There's a tree word for it.
Yeah. Eni e boma ye. Ekuturuku ana.
Oh no.
Enya ekuturuku.
There's a word. That's why you are me.
Hey, Arabna meeting in catch.
Fisticuffs. Fisticuffs.
Tree word na bana. And now where am the buy no. I mean obi call me status I will be.
Okay.
It's a word that usually made describing a major for so mobile.
Me cry. So the two in I say fly and I say.
Yes.
But men can't tell.
Men can't tell me America. Anybody at all won't catch them.
Yes.
All right, and today's word I'm feeling free. Thank you. Today's word is sagacious. 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 And
Where the man for bonus sagacious.
Where the naka sagacious? Because you can sage. You can sage.
My sages, my
I said
sages.
sage. I said sage. SEI.
Debut. SAGE wo.
And I'm more sagacious.
And yes, sagacious to me. Yes,
We say Obo where's we on where's Ankasa? So Bona say what that bow no be brown feel see be brown born wrongly.
Ampa. Me know ya adwene.
1413 na me train English over Kosovo.
Hey, asamaba. Ebusiafo. Enti what near sagacious? Who say you was sage?
Yes.
Sage into sagacious.
Sagacious.
Into your family.
Sagacious.
Into no sage and so you're different.
Into one I'm born sagacious and patron somewhat. And yes, sagacious.
And yes, sagacious.
I'm
Nay, mate to be nicknamed
sagacious.
Sagacious.
Was sagacity. There's a word, sagacity.
Yeah.
But we're sagacious.
Sagi. Go car dance again. Now on the apple.
But SAGACIOUS. It's your family.
Sagacious. It's an adjective that means having or showing acute mental discernment, keen practical insight, and sound judgment. It describes someone who is deeply wise, perceptive, and far-sighted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sa. Into who sentence be na? Why?
Okay. Timi ma.
Mommy be one pacho. Sagacious. Oh, pronunciation no.
Oh, so we share we ne crunch no.
Sure. Sagacious.
A friend pronunciation guide. Pronunciation guide.
Pacho. We 14 here teaching no yes sir.
Yeah.
Okay, pacho you. Yati. Eti for you nati.
All right. So her sagacious investment choices allowed her to retire comfortably at age 50. Let me take that again.
Do take it again because we did.
Her sagacious investment choices allowed her to retire comfortably at age 50. 50.
Eche say nyansa kwan so fire de sikesie ye no to me retire early. Say retirement is 60. Okay, nice.
It is enough to retire with.
The Ebini.
I
think it's synonyms, no.
Okay, hey, because I know so about
judicious.
Okay.
A synonym. Astute.
Okay.
And so, insightful.
Okay.
Me be brewa.
And Tienran and I made to me State of America. Now me say, and then we continue our sagacious conversations. So insightful.
Yeah. The dog's sagacious behavior proved he knew exactly who was about to feed him.
And you come in say you're trading ama.
I turned to my grandmother for sagacious advice on how to resolve the family conflict. Yes. A sagacious leader knows when to speak and when to listen to their team.
Just when he sounds like he wants to end.
And
the tech company made a sagacious decision to buy out its smaller competitors early on. No.
Competitors.
Yes, competitors.
Yeah, that's
sagacious.
It's competitors in American why? Now because I'm a British, it's not me pronouncing it. Competitors.
Only on Sompa Delight. I mean, you know, it's your best social entertainment. You program in the city in teenager. When you're there, Bremon, yes, Remo. Munyu. So,
Crane.
I was your boy and Vaco Gonzaga crying Sakano. Mamma yen twa so kama. Now let me start from when say need 3 days and ye bedi Miss Bell. ne sister no ehun so apparently on Tuesday Kolebufo no ebe responded with a statement.
Okay.
Enra ebe responded with a statement mo betwe mu fa the isi ye no.
Okay.
And nada na mhena no keka bisa. Enti Augustine se konkonsa na no ochi.
Enti asho no.
Emma omu betwe mu say most of the time na ya bibi say ba na ya betina social media so ne aka bia na amanfo adidi atemwa ne ade e wo comment section mu but they will really want her to bring a dance here on person omu hu de esiye.
Okay.
Say lady no ye refer no free baby ene ba ho and say ho na ye first medical point of contact oba ye no who attended to her, what was her situation, then and eventually what led to the death. No, they will need all of these things already. Mampenia Akandada, when Charles Emisa's case came, say no government hospital should turn away any patient be a denebeba.
Okay.
They are enforcing sa directive na president de buy. Already no cry a guide woman not to turn away any patient. For something like this to happen, no, they will need more clarity. And Miss Bell came back to defend. So they all can no correct. When the lady was brought in, no, yeah, the net na kunyum first instance, and ye administer some drape in your manu maybe, but at a point, you know, she was too weak to sit. She was too weak to sit in the chair. Because nipa no kra no o ntimi nya ne body ne hwe.
Yeah.
So they had to put her on the bare tiled floor. And sana omo ebenti no sa back and forth. No say nipa nso yare enti said de o wa hoden e bi obetimi eti e bi akra na ehɔ no ye uncomfortable. Ko yare ne de watena konwom ne de obetena ye de obeto form. You know, and all of that, you know. Ade bi a hadrin ti. Yes, almost Ghana, we are limited. Your health system need enye. No, you see, let's not pretend like it is better. Enye. Me say enye. Sister Abena enye.
So one ko private hospital
no
kakra
na ejumayefo no the resources na available to them no eno na omu use e de so niam nti se ne yesoso ano yesoso niam ano we don't handle cases. Of course there are hospitals they are doing very well base bia surgeries ne sa niam no base bia ye di obi ya rush obi the accident for no me say one time enya akrampo ye mi kurom na me wo mi kurom ena ye se nkrofo bi konya accident bi wo dambae kwan ne so ena ye de wo mo baaye me say anti Abena ye krom ho no government hospital no ne cater for sa district no is one of the biggest we Trafalgar ho free wa Rara government hospital ena ye one of the biggest from hefa buemua de besin ko krache de besin ko dambae ne honom no they all come there me se mani sei moje pram nipa sei ne de na to abonten
wow
enti no yes nkrofo na doso omo doso ne de omo ba ye hefa ne exactly ne de omo eko enti ho kra ye a rural area no how much more Accra Kumasi Takra de ne sa exactly enye enti no this a call I say yetimi peja ye niema mu kakra na eboa de bia ye ka facilities but I say akwa ye normal enti no ento obi e ben wa you will not really understand but so nipa no oben wa na wani so say na nipa no anka wanka sa obenhu say nkomo na ye di no is beyond sa enyoma no ntino anyway Yenhwe.
In fact, okay, say, Oma be responded, na make her say, I mean, to what end? At the end of the day.
Oh, almost almost be investigate the see, you know, so that say be bedru baby na sanctions be beba mukra na they will ensure say
because I don't need a
they will ensure say almost ebe sanction those who are ombe hu omo ewo sa investigations. We are hoping say it will be like that.
Okay. Ajua, I me depa say with this story we but me who so story we no. Fabine many can say almost show the interest in the case.
Okay.
All right. But the interest should be a genuine interest. And you say you about out near ye be someone asem na kwa say I know my friend is saying. In as much as Senana Omo can say president directives be basa and they are ensuring say sadia no they will not however management be decided say they are ensuring to say omo be di sa niam no so but health professionals be honoma omo suban say no omo suban tia na tie ya dia ba o yen fan ba yi on the o person ye no enu an obeye enti we de kolebufo say kolebu yesremu mamu mane nyeti say I normal bibia mo respond to an PR initiative be an communication initiative be na mo take it. You should be sure of what you are doing. Na omo acting kolebu ye ayaresa bia hoso na omo hwe kwan na omo anye ni ye na eti ayehwe eye petre yo na ya hunu hwe a na se fufuro si a fire go come. Journalist so far journalist for some farm ho chemo.
It is well.
So from that na my uncle Samini in Stoneboy. So Stoneboy had a TikTok live and appreciated Samini, and I think it's a very, very beautiful gesture as Stoneboy. I say a boss to and you'll be an a kaya de. And you'll be an a kaya de. Nkofo a so ni mu ana say nkofo bi anom ya available ema o page dru baby no odru ho a na ne refi na ne refi but at least Stoneboy etime recognize say Samini na so ni mu ema ne career enne waye Stoneboy o say that time na o say Samini mu be ball concert bi wo be that time no was senior high school enti after program no na onne no ekodi nkomo until later and or say owie school na obeboa no until owie school no invite ne man e ba ye ma omo ye studio works bi ne nioma hudo bi tu ni for treasure industry ne ni so ene ma bi ese so ye ne ade de Ghana for penti oboa ne bebre e ma career ne etimi tintimi nti ene no se wa be Stoneboy a untimi nka ne jani asem wa bra ombo Samini din enti I think it's a very beautiful thing.
Wow.
Stoneboy enti
because one can
at least
exactly
and
nice.
Samini any Stoneboy won betimi agina stage back so abo show on no cry be
of course we a legend
exactly enti no at least who say obi I make some efforts be whether career ministry family at least utimi appreciating it sometimes and yes sika bi na you know whatsoever the be make us enkrofo bi wo ho ababi o madu abrabon no e den na abeto ache nipa na woni e den na wo e den na de beko e de empa e de but at least wo ma wiase hu say ne contribution ka ho and na waba bedru ha that's a lot of
beautiful
things, you know.
It's a beautiful
Yembo
because
Stoneboy
because me kwam tanka meaning but you see akoma any so ade like obi wa akoma are grateful any so ade it's beautiful so no wonder say Stoneboy is still
thriving.
Yes, I'm not when I used to do about catcher and say who ni say the way your cousin is a university professor and he stood particularly told the PSA they should find this guy for him.
I see.
and he met him.
Okay.
Yeah, so enya me wan say like o make it wakuma so de nipa ya is good. And yan sua de bi fi ha. Won say ono no bo ano but on te say Samini ni nya issue bia. So two way. Obi wo no ma obebo amo akosoro ne de enya adwuma. But o picking from nowhere. O school obi enim no. And Samini no so fan better. Me na me boa o.
Yeah.
I made you who you are.
Yo. Into a person kire say empo in quote if you are saying say Samini Stone Boy ebro Samini soa in industry ni ma no problem. It means that Samini is a legend forever. Obi training na say obeye te say nipa na say oye papa wa wo ba na wo ba be te say wow you are failed.
Exactly.
Omo ba under you are omo intime do level you are failed woefully. A good father, a good leader bia who didn't crofo any make sure some mama wase no oh mama train your mama ba be bro so
Sir.
And the you have made impact, a long lasting impact.
That's right.
And he said and Samini aya sa de na Stone Boy akuma like neni aje no a grateful out neni aso it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing pa nti ye bo omo mienu na abaso na omo a nkofo bo omo no some people use their leaders as ladders last make as asem no they use their leaders as or for where na okon no mo abetire say wo kra nya wo level no we make it chen
We are watching atwede na
free wo nti the Stone Boy no so ye mbo na abaso ni omo mienu na amaye no obi boa wa say wo she ne nunyam.
I mean, what kind of fair because the thought that came to mind was mentorship.
Yeah.
How it's supposed to go. It's way a clear example of great mentorship.
Yeah.
Because no oboa no more do baby we do no.
Yeah.
And now obia can attest to the fact say wa konenim and all day a year to baby was said that so yeah. Nti ye bona baso.
Afofo no sunsuan free mu. Nanka me pese me yetu so ba me nya baako because of time. There's a video trending. We ya na mpacho check we no nafa neto so ma we de me colleague bi wo ye media ye mu na me hu se onoko peke story no na me se da bi ma me anyway se school akwala eti school dem mu na wo shinkrofo niema yi bi. Look, I mean, the level of indiscipline in our schools these days, it's pathetic. Oh, e won say ni yese yen hwi obi ba yen tia kwala ene kura na yen twe ma wo school kwala so. And in a way e beboaye, but I'm telling you that it did more harm than good.
Oh yeah.
And ne school ni kura JHS we wo hwe na wo ye JHS ni we wo hwe na
monko Facebook na mo be hu Facebook Sompa Accra 106.5 live.
Wo hwe so we be ya ban school we e ya ban school ko you na see le mo no kura tire say ya ban school.
This is serious.
Student and na ye twa and or her camera ni mu chese wo twe an wo gi agum sei mo hwe me ya am on top.
Ghana Education Service.
Who does that?
No.
Some do it.
By all means, omo be
be see we ade beti na ehu krata aba.
Ti me bisa say saade we no. Did it happen at a time where teachers in school omo pon
I don't
and mama break na nkofo bi wa bontin e bi wo inside and I said dean
no at all cost no say obi eni ho no be o be plan it say I mean me a guy me person me into no be plan it no why so definitely obi ni ho so obi wo ho anka ma bontin say
anyway I Zabna
yes sir
they are ho
catch it
be ko mu no
na
anteba sa pepepe onishe
ni ma me beti ama na twa adwo sa obehwe na waso abanchi akobibi behwe na akodwutwi obi fie obehwe na akodo obi fie ansana odi bibi eba
Pow anti Abena.
You
serious?
Yeah, it's true.
You mean
this is uncalled for.
Yeah. Whether a true in Tampi or whatever. So long as
apart from that, Crampono, and Tampini Crampo dangerous.
Yeah.
What about paper?
Whatever.
Do you know the process the paper went through? In Tampini, they Oma processing for smoke. Do you know what the paper went through? Apart from that, smoke is not supposed to enter our bodies.
Exactly.
You should know that your respiratory friend is saying system is at risk. Uba bewie ede yare akwakotumam de me bufu kura wade amehu de me bufu kese kura we did you obey the deeper obewie ni mama aduane kakra odi so kwafo di aduane ni na
boys ne de obo ojai obo pankasa
Ena zango bonzo matise omu shisa omu didi sa so no mu kwa ade so
jai
omu kwa ade so a 4 years no mu free so ombe wie so abe un no ma e dan ma anya fine
we abriade it's pathetic. So you see, you were talking about education system no currently how it is. Corporal punishment. So when was it? When did I go to Dutch school? 3 days ago.
3 days.
Monday.
I said 3 days ago.
3 days ago. Okay. So almost a career day. And no me invited me, so me motivating Korano. So I went. Now after saying everything that my mom chance so mumbusa questions. Now questions so mumbusa ina centered on pressure. And Koran getting. They were asking me, Madam, you said we should do multiple things. So what if it's too much for you? So what if the pressure is too much? And I'm saying, my God, how are we raising our kids these days?
Yeah.
And then pressure come. You know, just say, oma per soft life now.
Yeah.
No overload, no load,
stress-free life.
A lot of the mistakes, no. If I think I said Jelana and I'm a lot of the mistakes, if you parents, no, because we will say, near me ko no me pesa ni ye bibia ni atetia momu ohia bibia no one mano. Sometimes ma on femu kakra. No, who say net because abrabo no wouldn't na ho afebo.
Oh, the reality no. Yeah.
It's no man ding. And yes, I can't win out the man or win out. Sometimes you have it, but hold on to it.
Yes.
Not training no. Because me two questions now.
Yeah. And you learn career and now school year where you wo mu ye bi. And na me madam ma me is the same the kind of questions are enkura we. Obi say opese fine if you are talking about combining ejuma bebre obi bi say me start ye no na ejuma ame ye sisi ye ade a na me pese me ye free me nkola bre mu ana na me say o da bi even though I knew say na e wo ho de but some pese me ye nurse.
Okay.
But when so no eduru baby na me hu so e ade a manage ho ntino why not abeto me a fine na pressure say me ya working.
And no more shit.
Questions.
No, so we should take a second look. We are Africans. We should take a second look at how I yet to mayo. Ye serious.
Madam Kabibi.
Yes, say.
Was so shut up.
Yeah, no, then
children. There are times children management. They mean kusimu. And then me drop him off for school. Monfro commercial car.
Children management. As children must learn how to accept no.
Any panic baby, me say what Jenny who crying.
Say when Yanka say more treat you and I say frustrating. But the point is that Momu say na I'm not can Momu who the reality. However, Senebeya say Omo the softness of life na be mo obe hu say a privilege. Oh hu say a right.
Exactly.
Then you appreciate what he or she is experiencing. Sages no more around.
Sages no around. Ebe mo makebi. Ebe mo because it's important. Important. And reference also why teach other. In fact, currently for any schools be ye be there. Omra mekani ntia. Omuntumi advocating na ye to me strict on incorrect to an extent because as I do secondary no more say.
Gra.
Uchi omo entry. Yenda Lexta Company Limited.
Akuma banye hwe
Yenda Omasia na Obama yetumi akasa kama ije ai yedo mase. Omo ye producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Ebusia also for hygienic healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. All products are available on the market, baby. Obe febia ubenye bi mpacha akra number we na obe free 050-161-9588 050-161-9588. Na Kumasi so what friend number 050-139-0338. Kumasi 050-139-0338. I was saying for Mr. Muye try Huaba, ye ba, abeja for betna se near dinkomo.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani ni yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedi na kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se mu pe baby. Awo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet. Eni wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wobi e cha nani a. Hajia special local foods. Ewo hacho. Atomic kwano so hono. Dienti e friendly local foods ne se. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food upese ofra eye 02463599921 02463599921 anasa 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na would them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se medie Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima minya homka sentina ye bokoyi na medie me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasese menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonkasa mesi ayefita asesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and the medi twimese entina wo se efe na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo Yas herbal Yas whitening and Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ebuzian chamfa se wo pedodo tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso ababoy.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyakupundi for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
You teach us some perfect service. Our home, a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. ɛyɛ bro nyankopɔn kasa kyerɛ ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ɛmma Sompa First Service ɛntwa wo ho nkɔ da. ɛyɛ dwada kusi efiada anɔpa no num kusi anɔpa no nsia. Fa wo da no nyinaa hyɛ Awurade nsa na Awurade bɛyɛ.
Yaba Sompa.
And then I yaba. Abena for Atnasi. I mean, said they're not a school common course. They say they're no crowd kind. Not talking about school. No, mommy fancy. I can say Emma May sister, papa. My sister our school. Now, on the evidence say, or instilling good character. I won't correct near the day, you know. And check a say a comma. Mia, my sister. Madam Josephine Anane, I CEO for 3 Butterflies School. I war Eastleigh gone. I'm a sweethearty. Oh, Chirade, come on. Now, and your wash show on a easy crowd, ain't he? Bidding checkers there, and their man, we British curriculum. Dear, no muguso, ain't he? Oh, dear, your man receives Gakarebi. And sweetheart, Josie, made shower ray, I minute Sompa delight crooning da. Yami Onsha non Koswa and no wow. 3 Butterfly School Eastleigh gone. Aye. Reverend Mawakwaba.
Yenio.
Bibi Aboko.
Yaba Besum.
Yaba. I said voice my you do when you're cold Anna.
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay. And if you are not base be not bad. Uncle Fred.
Abena. What's on the base grabbing?
Okay, so then it's the sound. Is the sound. Part of phones, the area on them go. Na yeah, so Uncle Fred Pacho Puma. No, I brown.
Brown.
What's up?
There's a be black. I say we were you. My younger brother who 35 years old challenge. If we are street to Agogo Center.
Oh.
You got a year and I'm back also Padiki.
Hey.
The book called the man.
Padiki. In the course of the week, Frankie 5 ni post no all I could say was because I was shocked.
The book called Osama and the autograph.
Yeah.
She's gone. Eti ana debiana oriento for say asunje mu na meko na makoda na mada preku.
Asunje mu na meko makoda kom na preku. Hey, erade hu yamu bo.
Abena si yami pa edwada ye baha. Na ya wode yakopɔ satmini ba na na domo.
Ya domo.
Say ya domo.
Yeah.
Ene ma efa ni so ansa na ya ba betan ha. Enye easy. Nen so do boy no enu de ma ye. Tabina bi nyina no ne yedi mi yie. Ti ene obi bia wo hwere ama e bia o kyena e be ba. Na ade nyina the end of the day end of the mathematics of course theta got 0. All life be ending no. Baby adi mo nya na no zero na do ball nyina wiye. 41 feet you say park so you share no our we no in terms of his football career na mind you know it was very emotional it Abena benya me ka say ohu ehu I am me ndo ho
yes right
and then show on Facebook we say every obia I disappoint obi da
yeah
do we disappoint one I am mananya oya bebre expect disappointments in life and then asaba Sompa the light of the Thursday edition we are here. That's right.
Wow, Reverend.
Sompa.
Delight. I'm afraid I'll casa. Anyway, there I say, auntie, now you this school come on, you know. Before mobile babets nasin on that, I draw the conconsabi by school need be all smoky kumo. Yes, a video no afraid now by definitely the name say authorities ebe acting. Uko Facebook I'll be a video I came asemi and I kasisi na say indiscipline was school no aye bebre I didn't here it is a brona ye jaina na because say tete no de I mean ye nim who headmaster kra wusro who call them ho kra wusro teacher kra ba no you know I say sa bro na no mo bro ni ade na instill discipline bi inti what is happening again na inti na indiscipline adore society mo ma nke bi reverend
Abena,
teacher
I'm semi mature there for over 30 years.
Wow.
Na Obesha government the policy be by SME and Monkwalani. I agree to that. But Ekodru Bribia senior human rights advocates for Eyo Moniama and senior parents be so far in some phones or no. And na ma ye grunia eno na ma ye dru baby a ye dru no obi wo hwa wo correct me ba o se adenti na wo correct me ba adenti na wo ye ni say they won't even find out, and most of the times you know eya na nkwara no krom kofi om kodi intro about ne see and you see society a ye wo mu no enkwara no upbringing no both a fear and a school.
That's right.
But I will see who say efie na ye wo no se we ni wakwala ho a ebeka kodru sam premprensu yi na se won tumi ne wo bandin komo so a obi foforo ne beka kodi nkomo no wa kire ne a won kire no into the issue has got to do with parenting. That's number one. And the way your teachers for so monitoring in terms of enkwalano. Na ye den na smoking no ehifa na no smoking school compound and na say
classroom.
Classroom na all ye say dear. And they have to really sanction that child. That's number one. And one of na available class hours ana class hours so teacher na nke was what classroom no or no so was a sanction no because sometimes you know empty classroom no pen or ho it ebetimi aba say ebetimi aba say school no vacation ebetimi aba say school was not in session sometimes crowd footballers near dear crowd to me school compound kobo ball near ade but in this case no bia na nipa kono she school uniform na o she school uniform na che say ogu school no so ani ase school no koye ne ya nche ne say onkonom jota na wi na teacher ni bia so ni ho beka say o che akwala se ne no mo jot ana say wi ade no normally no a free boat efie obi wo ho a abna yembisa ye hu eba ne say na smoking bar school no me he na efie ansa ye ko school no na che say bibi starty free baby senior be the free baby no dey buy you see that era imu so ayewo no that free SHS no ema street children omo a na nka omo ko wayward ni ade no enya opportunity be ko schools be no ni ade by the grades they got, and those individuals no before mo be ko school no mo say dada it's no mo say dada until at the end of the day no na omo kire nkwala ewo school no mo na nkwala are easy to influence with the exception of omo a yatiti omo ofie ne yede nyamesuro ahye wo mu ofie no. With those individuals na ya na ebinumu to me ejina no, but most children are not able to cope with the pressure about one so nti abna we na me make afa ho
matime da se nti ebusia yeda so yi wo Facebook Sompa Accra 106.5 live uko ha obe hu Uncle Fred asem no asefem
free tete who ya na mbia omunum security ni ade school na dey bad omo ye accounting ya ade omudi bokro no omo na school udi nyama sit down one that kind of deviant behavior a whole long time, and it's not going to stop today. Let's don't pretend. And then but because social media also the go or not the trendy.
Okay.
Now we are smoking now, smoke no more. What do you call because we can't smell the scent from here. Do what you say paper
powder. Earlier they say it be a paper
crowd normally days I just regardless. But I don't want you know. Sense Susano. We are now na koto Tosca Bremi. Koto 55. Koto Rothman skin size Bremi. Omo we are na piece, you know, we are debate the womb. Your grandmothers, no tobacco. Omo the tag, the other papa no be. Grandmothers. My grandmother at the age of 80 something, no, and a panel the bobiano tobacco. No chisa, masala no to no tombi o ifi. Eti e ma bi no kusuya how to smoke. Now, any say kind of deviant behaviors, peer pressure. I come home. Well, Abia, my school. Can you say, go school no? So seniors new year, I want them because I'm doing now on my because we will all could be a teacher be, Kakako, or no who teacher in his maybe no near. If you catch teacher for no cry at the boom, now that kind of behaviors in the other, so it's all that trendy. What also a chalk be no cake. Unless an hour action, because oh shit, your television is so any ma amount for a year almost smoky just to show as a character. It don't feel say be no so be now age wise, you know, so a free puberty age, you know, a bar. And then maybe that's the sexual appetite. Chronobo and then social deviance and then no one start here. It is a one to me I'm here because you say you may be a form 5. Nay, creepy pa. You go
power way.
Okay, cow. Oh, when we feel boys to what I gave what we never saw, and then maybe bring na. And then you screen your tea, binuma, such style and woman, on that common graduate, and went to marry, and when you maybe breathe. It's rather unfortunate, say, and then because of social media, on your camera be now the scene anyone who try not a better to say when your numbers in now, or brand 150 and say, or say, why you cook sekunam, I read Jimmy Kutu. Crama now and a bit more because I'm Teku. You have consumed the beast gradually. Says Subawi, it's a Scubia with the motor, a 20 Mimi dear, a submining him, dear Premier College, dear. And I'm going to say, Jane for council, fancy pim. It took her Jane for Cano with the 2 team submining him, dear, and then I remember once a character. So I always try to exhibit that kind of character. Submine any him, dear, submine. Oh, Uncle Fred, oh. Who are you from for 5 years? Obama is here. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, we want some party light. If you're about Charlie, the Peruvian says to buy no, any new Indiano, and I'm your woman. They are always trying to search for the information. Yeah, I want to wait. Obama, no for Baba bedding. I will for the in fact, a treasure man more bedding, papa.
Yeah.
7 previous. Who's about them enemy and our mountain do such a way of your bias in a buyer now. Situation be brave. I had a cousin of mine, or school, also locations, or couldn't we board them. Psychiatric hospital in Kotoye.
Wow.
That we have a
just St. Augustine's. Dean,
what do you say? That we have a phone, a free, I had a coy. Now, Bram Brea crowns and I'm the could do criminal. And easy. Brilliant guy. Because very brilliant, but peer pressure. Oh, you're for it. I let them cry. I let all in. 2004. No, it's gone. Yes, one worry that one hold that. This is the king now. It's gone. It's in there. And that, which nation now who to get. Mom, when they can take a credit, you see a different. And I will say, Enti man o hwe nyewe yi na
authorities be sanction
life no ma me no ma patoma we be ka che so panyin boni na se panyin kwa ebie kwa wo unya medumi enye panyin no na afro se panyin boni kra the life is a mystery.
That's right.
So onye oba graduate cut grade now call afena cooking Mr. Kiki Jan of office himself was it Freddie say I'm sat here at the age of 70 we go UK.
Yeah.
Obi na me both beside keyboards, the Hammond organ, we need to trip and the Bobby we say. Many Elton John, I'm dining with the Queen. The Queen's call me Kiki. You and Elton should go to Australia and go. If you say you're afraid from cigarette or cold weed, for last week cocaine. For last week, me car I talk be Morris man. Obuna no da obi a oni oy millionaire.
But you see, to be honest, Freddie man, yeah, dear Pa, Ma Kiki Jan, myself, Freddie man, and Kojinchi, we were the only 3 people giving him money.
Wow. Yeah.
Kiki Jan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kojinchi the commission say,
yes.
Yeah, na abon mam.
Tibe po ejuma. Na mabaho. And then they be bon komosa papi wayade.
Yeah. Eti obaduma onno. Unfana ko train station. That's it. Life goes on.
Sana was say, you know, send your strategy in so no. Sana was say to us. Now, if you stop what, not that is where the problem comes from.
Wow.
Some few days ago, I shared my life story from 1974 up to the time I called secondary school.
Okay.
Uko kuma se baby angloga. Na me ton ice water or cook bottle.
Okay.
And I when you graduate me ton apino soap. Premier college me ton apino soap on kwanya. A farm place.
Apino 2000.
We were 6 4.
Na Reverend, na so nim say me Gen Z. Really?
We were 6 4 we ton pa bo kantamanto. Shoes I go for be ton pa bo pa. Asa me kokoye dwon shell. You can compare more Ghana with Akoye Mania. I never be fish to do. It's a real life journey, no.
Now pilots be can
I said Ghana is then.
Ghana is okay, right?
Medical school in Yamas. Admission or Germany, so it's kind of infant. It's a life, no. Parents of today, no, said all canon. Yeah, we said it's a bray, no. I never saw my mother and father living together after 1970. So that the good morning, mommy, good morning, man, who be that? Yeah, well, who be that? There be our stepmothers, 10 stepmothers. It is a one show so yeah. Or yaw, me be dear woman because in treatment, no, the man, you know. Every stepmother came with a vision.
Yeah.
Your mom be coming. I've told you the story of the Kutumi still near Mo, I got poison in 1977. And then, you know, it's in your share, I'm saying so. We come to secondary school and say Kumasi will be the last place because of certain incidents.
Yeah.
But papa you more GNTC. Na ma koho. Set time na lemon and bar. Milk be a friend vitamin green. GNTC for the supply na biaba.
Okay.
You say me GB school ni teacher ni that. Because my papa dey chairman of office for. Me as that time, you know, na me catch up and say I will never ever rely on my parents again. And up to now, so I'm there with you know, who are the parents? They is over pampered.
Yeah.
Yes, over pampered. Oh, we be up be the mount. The idea. Share. You have to go and hustle.
And earlier na me ka say say kura poa because we intend teaching them something, you know. Yen try. Na yen withhold kakra. Say ne be ya obi tumi a kire na na.
Abena ding. The advent of the revolution of the internet, you don't see anything. They have different
conception, different mindset.
And maybe crowd more
oh, and yeah.
Oh yes.
And yeah.
You don't know. You have no idea. They're having sex, doing illicit drugs. I can see a children say you know. You'll be surprised. How could you even able to him? You have never exhibited this kind of life before. But
yeah.
Peer pressure can't call any yet.
They
are frustrated.
Reverend, they can say, I any money nin como. And no never my way hunu I mean, say, at least because we didn't was Ankita who didn't know a bit to me a show. I'm away home. I don't because no life where there's one or navigating. And no so one for one trained the autisu. Anyway, Madame was say you can't concern a baby, you know. Mama can be my auntie, young your stories more. I mean, still away. There were a couple of family issues, in fact, all 3 stories were family issues. Let's pick this one first. So, you know, say Apostle Joseph, of blessed memory, will say. Ne will no oma kind ama oma who say at the end of Abena Ruthy, right? Now us about the Zara man or the who na no see a same nimu kanya much say na say I if not che a bedroom h no omo kind will leave you who say oh say na papa ne pay so the bedroom no. I mean, of course, subsequently we have heard a couple of things, but I want us to settle on this one. Well, who knows say na more draining your man walk no say na I mean on your right in saying that based on what the will is saying into no say why are you 10? And so my question is ayana yes asemsi na say ye directly involved like enye ye na ye wa asem ni mu a ye mpring enka ho asem ntema na what do we do? So that yen sign medani anubium later, Reverend.
Abna, one say nidi kaino. Meka say Zaraman waya die say waba no wasan abepacho.
Okay.
Say one ye.
We're eating humble pie.
Aha. In the first place, no near was ye who say Zaraman onye busieni, but oya sorry ba. Wahu. Intina a sorry ba de ebinum wo ho a omo pese omo kasa na nkrofo hu say at least onu so ni masem ni mumbi.
Okay.
But ono pa tre say na onim ye the portions be sende no. But the fact say the portions be a sende one nkyere say wona wo ye spokesperson de a edema ebusua nti brabeka wansem.
Okay.
One yes spokesperson in fam mebusua no. Nti wo pese okoka bibi kra na bisemu ansa na waye den waka. Enu nti na ye ka ya asem wa ha nia ye nim ne ye ka fa ho. Ena ne yate ho asem no so ye try say be bobo ho ne ya hwe se ne wo se nka ekofa. But ye nye absolute nka say na wo se tie. Te say will ya be. Won say ye ka say ode eniama na ama ne ba be ma no. Enso nye sa na tie. The will say ono na ombeye the head of the family. And at the aspect of the church, and also in Canada 2 portions initially no one ankasa to me see or software. And the second one so ni honas 1 year council of elders to me see. Inti secondly no sa yasha no or software no council of elders na ye inti omunti ewa will nim. They are not wrong in the will. But say wunni masem no mu na wo beka ansa na wanwe koyi ka ansa na wasa be pacha no e o se ye hwe ye nsam ka ne yie because ensem bi obetumi aka radio so internet so ebetumi yiwama am at the end of the day one kasa odo ho akoto trouble mu nti no next time no so be kasa ombise mu yie e na se nya na asem so a onye din na onhwe na lawyers fo nkasa.
No, the I had you. Obi, hey, Makai, where the that be see me who correct a one pem jenny. First, I can up.
Apam pem jenny.
Says I know. Based on that, I mean, based on that, and we see Ochina cry. One of the things we will do. Where it's a winima, Sisi away who correct us. And last week, nay, and you ma winning until we will combine Nina into the way Matwafa or Freestyle Friday, Befa. Uncle Fred.
Se patapapi tu.
Patapizi.
Aha, yedimra na euro.
Patoke biom.
Patapapi tu.
Okay, yedimra.
O se o le buy for o kele, but you say you call on no no. Afi akon se say ni say. Say nya na dwen he kana ba ho.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is minimum. But be ya before you utter a word.
Yeah.
Obeka se bi pa fe otu se be they say the wa fie gu for no asa a family. Of so rashi at that time. Yes, what papa na ye dwuma che onimniam bi. Then so papa no nyine nyina na odi che o.
Exactly.
Of course.
Wo hwe wo dum bi o to si yemfa ne mfnafo no se man say yemfa be 50% of. And so if you support na say ta wonim say eni. Nti wa ban aboncha be ka since law no so no. So be a wola. It will be interpreted by the lawyers.
Yeah.
Because in maybe woman, do not kind of male children now, including maybe others, but Rashi Bay. Sabi, a sapalamon coffee tree or call on a word Jacocano. Then he must only hear my aquano, Mujano, and Tanamu, or the Mekwakoye. It's good that he has come to apologize. He said, next time we are send me back on to Noboise. No, your mom for being way. I'm actually they say, what do you want someone? And find him in Wami, a count down for qua. Nakademi call, what I say. So, we have Canadian man on the 2 cents billion or one, only 3 or 4 cents back. A young today. I said, Baba Kika, if you can't your boys reach the what? So then I say, it will bomb for be playback, you would see out this answer from him. Papa and me, can't say. Then what? What am I going to say?
A few moments later.
Yes, it's rather unfortunate. Papa no last year na and hon sen sem by a tutu but then I was expecting that say beba, but then not to the stand of say be a tutu but on be on munyam for sano so na apere ne ba enkwala ne nyina mfi ba ko and you be a pray say we nya bibi and akoba sa nti was supposed that man on one was some of come and can yi obe pacha who am I who am I Anyway,
Your next story. So that in same mama fa we say president say uni say Ghana national anthem ne to am ye for nkan you again last time say school anthems were hana amount for buy to de na na say yes in fact me producer kra ne de name say ba ku bi kura fa so ntini che say ehu ha adwini ye obehwemani enti eno ne say we eno I mean we dey brief you dey dey fe mu keke modwene ho saying o say I mean I was here in the criteria say call it up for Black Stars and not even any team national team you should be able to sing the national anthem.
Abena.
Yes papa.
Yeah, the chance here or parliamenta. You been 30 to 40% omobeto national anthem no wrongly.
Reverend.
Omo pa omo nye that survey no mo nhwe. Yeah, the chance if you wa. You say atembu no ebe chance if you sorry them.
Inti software.
Atembu no nke chance here wo Parliament House. Na chance here so Jubilee House. Omo ben na on fe no nye survey. And na omani you know fire back home. A good thing. Ya di bi be serious na afei so ya di esua to because a ban is a e bia studio kra ya maybe to kra ne I promise on my own so ya mom kan ye so ya am kwara na bi no ka to be faithful for rice and also
for rice open one
for rice you know be born for
rice say see I be up o man panyi say the national anthem cross on to hwan and a boy yeah bay key bay and background to
yeah
chesa
say you must call for FPC must come for clean hands.
Yes, but for be that obi man you word be say no but for today obi man word be so on spell obi now on man word tin na on to me spell no say mommy word and also spell it ebi da why yo ebi da
the essence of every footballer they say okobo give ro na national anthem back for the pride. See, I told me identify where we are all your singing competition and no matter what singing competition. But young baby Thomas Asante, no I'm a Jamaican, and I'm a part Asantini, no I won't know. So definitely a man who's not to take a member. Definitely fear no. Singing your papa never catch you are on to say queen another yeah you cry. But because of the name of Santino or Santino, a holiday a subjective kakra, but that president can't it is to say, yeah, the kind of whole fighting man or man enter you. Exactly. That is the who the overall, you know. Yeah. Because that's right. Ben you say, Uka could join us about national internal figure until any Ubu of Robusan someone tongue. The dear man whom be any mammy crayfin you go and I say so it's the generation gap. Said this girl be an oil by anyway and what said on teach. They say, I want to be kind me.
Bekai say.
Oh, what the camera is on the Kaimi.
If it was here, Pamela, but she was home to yes, Pamela, so picky, big number 2. Or you know what to say the answer, oh, what the Bekai, but the Kaimi today, for all the better day, Pamela, or can't go tell you. It's all kinds of offend say jurisdiction in terms of maybe you train your money and the idea no on what try England say save the God save the king and one what and American one so go to say a Sunday voice especially when free run only those kind of people only them specifically trained say when national anthem dey okoba bia you have to be able to sing
yes in there na ne reverend ka say start to parliament Jubilee House
and say ke be
one two ayen two aba ma
so na yem rande amaye to yem amaye dia and e Ghana no dey so won dey na mo kana mo video
my next story so na we je all right it's NTC entertainment story be mo Nigerian actors too in fact actor and actress omo worry 4 years ago and na omunya issue and sisi a ometumi divorce na oba no apentoma betro social media say ode rade ase say finally otumi atete ne ho. So I'm not too much interested in the details, but I want to find out from my sages. I mean, sure, is it possible that divorce be a blessing, Anna?
Abna, let me put it this way. Yen use the term blessing, but Yabeka says sometimes, based on near isi and near course, inka eye say sa ebesi. Yen fana se nani pakono go through domestic violence be ya bono debia ya kan ye na afi yashe na embra ama ntemu atete no. In this case, wenya ahofama bi e wo no ho say ya mmonu bium. It's not like it is a blessing be a aba akwemu, but yabeka say a saving from further beatings and I say further ayakayaka die bi anka na ye de ye no. Inti me take no any say. But yen hwe ne say nyankopon ankasa de nka ka say nka ware de nka ye. Nka ye. But akoba na sa menji ni say nka wo say social media nanka also de beto. Bia na oye ne announcement say sisi an oye free. Nti obia to me ba or marketing ne ho. Nti yemfa na sa.
Okay, I see. Because when on the allegation they say Obama no involved in a secret affair with a married woman.
And Abna America say one who says a marriage best say and I'm in Niama be brave so we are one of them. For which reason our shall own to mean no and a wako separation and no crab biblically no nanka yamahu kwine say because of that intinonka separation be embra and I say and no grounds for which I'll be to me AJ, but then also in share say Faber 2 radio so and I say TV so say me danyamia say a blessing and I say we wuna wejai tnasidi na bompa say in your next marriage nyankopon mouse a type of oberima na who say or how adwen no oma obi a obete wase obi a ono be ko enim yie because ye hu aware a egu a omo akọ new one mu a succeed. Which means bibi na nko ye wo na edi kan ne mu.
Uncle Fred.
Aware ne kwanware.
Yeah.
Divorce aware jaye. Say ohwe ba ye Christopher mu a, em say na ye ni nyi hu say obi be jaware. Ne so be ya tan aware mu so awu.
Yeah.
The last time I can say and aware be bra enyina if the Christian teaching some of them. Say aware no aba be bibi wo ha say ye ya na kabusuafo kan say me ba be ware wa mebusufo ba ba be hwehwe wechi akwa ko hu say sebe ebia edam bi ana say awo muntimi nwo say setting na ebi wo ha ansa na mama mba ho but this time there internet is so near worry any whole so untim bisa won say for better or for worse worse adwuma na okay me ade bia me dem the example say me name ya tena for 37 military years na bu sound say dem ntina freche me some fine man anka me yi e ma dudu oku e ka me koba bana ka bia me wife no ka be 3 or 4 there's one woman I'm at sticker to that person because of my childhood experience dem ma me fam enti me pese me ma oba bia akose oya onu mu na me am nso enti in my own kingdom my critic avenue bi wo ha ade ade aware ejai ba na ma twe me ho e dey free ho
okay
normally ana bebre abufu atisem why we yefofo na me Morris man na me use me cousin maako na ne yadwuma organ wis na ne car say no beje ye so kwakutwi konkonsafo e bi hu ya ne akofo setam na mobile phone mai to wako yi pnt butu dey do kunya che no fortunately na me dey car no so ma woman na my wife ho ti obi anya so omenya kokonsa abedi abese ya ware no say di ku akofa me pena so na say ba ma me no beja no pe kai na me ho ge na wu ni ewu so bi share am the comfort so na no so na obedi se ko che na na ni ewu sa na yi na
eno no yeso
aware mu sam ani aware jaye no nipa bebre etam so ko sa akate ko to bebre abodam ya ha no ani ferry abna uta catch your test school. Tis a BBS or town, Debbie. I'm not sometimes we how we live, we stay one one. If you matinem, I'm a 7 previous, maybe I'm Bemano Crano, near Omo. I friend saying, Mrayoka Crow or Munipa Quadum, I dear man at Ewo. So, indeed, in your request, so we will to convince the family, no. I said, be a great from Akopema for no, Atlantiama. Sadia no castle baby one a cocoa. It didn't be any year any. Bauko Kujaya because of society. I saw a woman to you can say, well, you were now to sa. That woman, if you mind your BP, I develop into diabetes in a whole lot of things. A come amount for. It's a divorce here, woman air car. You see, don't see our young home. Don't see our young one who knew a moonsum.
Yeah.
It will occur so a jaya. And yeah, this not be the first. You see, damn it is a Prince Charles, any lady diner. A Jawariano. I'm so talent. Anyway, dear. Ubi abet me a Jerry Nimum. You had to tear the other tear and the Christo sono. So Jacra now suffer across the chinch at them. Oh, here I come abuse. Bembo abuse no wife in him now. What to about Boam was say when you near now. Eti. So Bane can say, at long last, the battle has ended for her. Now, thank you, Jesus. It is done. Peggy of Viria and as I said, Peggy. From Frederick. That is up to some Abemano. No affair. To a name be a AC coin, catalyst be a quack AC coin, Emma, want to enjoy marriage. It is better so be free. No, I call. What I say, a man many buha, and as a many buha, ever one. Your this was different. A few mubenya, and you know, your sexual appetite. Style did that is a much bano, with the hostel fatam, no style beer, womb, just I never meant any jabam no. Well, you renege on your benefits in the marriage. I did so yeah, one yet. Already be good. Mimi bought a you know, solo kuno, any high life, now so bought a you cabins and we at par.
80 uncle friend now, what can they say? Our real no, it was say. Tim be a working things out.
Yes.
Not yet.
So we are young here now. Would see me. But 20 years. And our baby. When you say be 50 years, so what go no. The next 10 years. Yeah. Maybe an sexual appetite record down. I feel now to leave you. Sorry. So what about drama or baby? And you're in so see sometimes you didn't even be brave. To be do honor your sexual attraction. And so mu yin and Yakupo a very wonderful God. So who ye. Movie about them because the money post stage. That's where the sexual attraction ever or don't back say you know her. We cut together, you know, for a trico system her. Baby, I say enough about Danny Manson. Which really for her. Feel family will be divided. So by no have no coaching colano her. Oh, I cry you mean I'm here and come when you know and come from that to me. I will be the Bible try to keep you when you are here. What I say. Say, for man, you be one colano, my never knows a day. I'm from Manco, just to show say, or no, it's one here who need say about 10 or her. A baby will look at this our guy. Yeah. And a lot of people too are in the marriage are friends. Kind of do concern. That's all be the bar. Put your friends being influence. Say, you know, and how you come, we have a control. Friends being influence. I don't know, I said them at Chessa, or your own star. I thought we bound my yin now, my baby. So, Baba, near me be. If it air kutia wakata, or until so a guy warriors. I mean, our guy and Yadia, who be a. It's not a but Ghana Hanera Chichi also, Nina Trahosa, but Tahubu. At the end of the day, who do a Beman so acha 1 year. Okako Febi, now for
Abena, one thing I'm realizing is Ghana had post marriage counseling, no? Yeah, yet. I don't know, Ama and Yama be brave, say, air cosono. You know, when you come to even the Christian aspect of marriage, a lot of marriages is good. Okay. Because post-marriage counseling, Nanka was saying, yeah, no. Yeah. No, one will say, young fan say, we are a counselor. There should be follow-ups even after Nipakuna Wari 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. There should always be a form of follow-up. What they share, or the Bebwasa and Crofono. And they learn from the society and learn from other marriages. At the end of the day, they become good and better. But yes, sir.
I see. I see. I mean, one thing I'm picking from Nyamun Namo can say our juma.
Yeah.
It is work.
Yes.
Until you need to work it. I said Nyankrupo on the amount, work it and keep it. You need to work it until and it's not just one person doing it. Obane working or not, Bemane so working. That's how it will get better.
Now my many people are no question. He say when you madam so 1 minute in your dream. Oh,
why you so this is work. So you have even drawn my attention to something. And I feel say at this point busy. Busy and to me Shankorani identity war but nase. Na Shankorana na say no na who say juma no. I mean, how do we take these things? Na say me your bar me accept ya na say I should just go on with my life because me name said down come maybe no be ka say na ukura de juma na ye den contribution why ye de be boy
me many be ta cancer in some no pa. And I want to be can ukura me be sha ukura nya hwe mami.
Ti ba ya mutopin no.
We tun hwe nya hwe ma e ka wi che o sa na ya o. Yeah, because we pattern, but sometimes no, yes. No, me, I mean, I'm your buy. Change out the man. It's a idea of here, see, and Roberto, Pabuan, be petty. A contribution from both ends. So, Bemano, now call a copisca bar. So, Bana, if ye, I am Colania, Unya to give Rana between the ashes, Senimaniano, say they can't at home. Say, our year be clear bar. Will be able to be a contribution all year to our anymore. I think, say. In the marriage in there, no one can say, hey, be a number of Pisca if you tell me, the family in Debbie, or Pisca if you will not feel, Kalana saying, there are a lot of parents who must go up, as one money answers say, if you marble bottom, and somebody I say on them. Yeah, the papa to Kenny Marco about them. Oh, yeah.
I hope.
Abena, when it comes to say, Wujai Ejuma, no waka say. And quarantine and I say fienti wujai it should be a form of serious agreements and consideration. And yes, oh sorry, I know I can say Bemanisi jai jumantino ni jai. Sometimes now most of the men use Arab technique. Now Arab technique they say keep them poor so that you can rule over them. Say money near Juma, send a bay or back shamasi. And that is bad. I was someone who say our warrior to say football field. More bobo na half time you now half time need drewer. Mutumi see a semonje ma home kakra. Things can work. Red card womb and no child says a red card ne ba one sheni year. Sa red card ne betu am with game. Oh, you are getting the whole point. A betu am with game num ama. And Yoma and Kuyin, say, or say, ni pass sanaging. Now, or catch no say, my wife, or ye, Juma no crano. I'm not fancy we ye, Juma, miss me ye, Juma. Now, me the 1,000 but now the 500 by, and 1,005 near.
That's right.
Now, see me in Jai, not 1,000 now, or day bano. Me pe me kokra, and I'm about her, sweet at Mamsi come from Kotomeku. It doesn't really, it's not the best. She say, I de kwa, inti mamwe, bakwe Jaino, a very reasonable. Nanti, I see a woman dear, then that one you can go for it. Because now what about Samujai? Now Jumana Samis Jumana say, what do you do? Anything can happen in life.
And in these days, you can be at home and work. Aha, time no. Aswa nesa. Final words.
Final words back we na ka ha so for bia. And sometimes your wives tie o ma so for more than the husband and I visa. So kun otoka ma wanada. Akoma so for dia.
And papa na kwa kwaje.
This so kwaje na die.
Monday you so because now I perceive your time near discusses ourselves no because no born we say a man be home to himself almost asem saying omukuno no
Abena and yes omuti omo asemu asofo ni bi di ehu ahye nipem
okay
and that is wrong.
Okay.
I mean, if you
Aye. Monday near Jemu because it's here. Me pese ya beso so na fe. Aye etiefo asoma yemu ye na fe ye jai. Aye nti na busuafo. Mumu ame na messages I say Uncle Fred and Reverend Eddie Aisen. Abibia omoba me say na munti na me de wedi by sagacious. Aye wise. You know, Tembia we have sagacious conversation. Ain't in a bedroom, Mike. Reverend Sagacious, HS office again, Sana, Elder Jerry Sukai, beginner, no, sister, what I say, yeah, Ube to me about Sagacious. And here, Busia for somebody himself. 9 o'clock near Sompa delight o'clock. I be delighted. Na Minda me producer numero 1. We got numero 1. So is French, 1 is Spanish. Yeah. Oh yes, me chirechim. But some children say minimum languages. Elder Jerry One, thank you for producing the show. Now me that Miss Svelte Lady and say Ajwa, me da Saint Augustine say or the to internet. So not Lady Joanne. Oh DJ, come. Me da say. And I need senior prefect. Rich bits mice. Medana say. Na me fa enchia kese enkoma ya mame anti akosiago abuaji Madam Communication. Madam Michao pa. Ebusia for seven say dia me just ane Abena Ruthy. Na me sorry sui Sompa for God and country. And I ever Professor Bochi aye krado Mr. Channel. Na fe upa support Morocco. Bobo no 8 o'clock. Makramo.
Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ghana had the obedient says a prostate. Na baby omutimi screening. Emma huni ye etu asia. Na a endpoint